In this part, we are going to create parts name for the inlet, outlet, and apply boundary conditions. So just turn off the mesh, right? Now we will create parts name. So go to the parts, right click, create parts, right. Select entity, this make the curves on. So select this entity as inlet, right, and apply. So now you can see that in the model tree parts inlet has been generated, and you can on and off. So you can on and off and identify this is inlet. So in a similar way, we will select outlet, outlet and apply, right? And this is the small inlet, and apply. And this is outer wall, outer wall, large pipe, and apply. And this is now we want to name these walls and these small inlet walls. So again go to create parts and select entity, select this, change name to small pipe, left wall, apply. Similarly select this, change small pipe to right wall, apply, and select this. So this whole curve has been selected, but as we want to have this passing open, so we will split this curve and delete this point, delete this section. So to do this, we first have to deassociate it with. So go to the blocking, association, deassociation, edge. So turn the edges on. Select this and apply. Right. Now go to the geometry, create or modify curve, segment curve, select this curve and these 2 points to segment this curve. Now we can delete this. So go to the delete curve and select this portion only. And now this has been deleted. So now we will name this inner wall and 1 and inner wall 2. So go to the part name, right click, create part, select this inner wall 1, apply, select this inner wall 2, apply. So now we have created all the parts name. So you can see here from here inner wall, turn the curve and edges off. So this is inlet and this is inner wall 2, inner wall 1, outlet, outer wall, outlet, small inlet, small pipe left wall, small pipe right wall, right? So we have inlet and outlet and small inlets. So every entity we have created name. So now we will save this and we will now apply the boundary condition. Right. So before moving to this, uh, once again go to the pre-mesh, see your mesh. So this part we have associated. So we will associate this again with this corresponding edges, right? So you can see that mesh is not projecting to this curve. Once we will associate these edges to curve, mesh will project to this curve. So again go to the association, select, turn pre-mesh on, off. So now select this edge, press middle mouse button, select this curve, press middle mouse button. Right? Similarly, select this edge, press middle mouse button, select this curve, press middle mouse button. So now you can again turn pre-mesh on. Yes, yes. So now mesh lines are projected on this curve also, right? So once again go to the pre-mesh and convert to unstructured mesh, replace that. Now we will convert into a fluent importable format. So go to the select solver and output solver is fluent, structural solver is ANSYS apply. Now go to the boundary condition, edges. So at the inlet we have to provide velocity inlet. At the inner wall create new wall, right? Or you can copy and paste on this, paste again. So outer wall large pipe is also wall, paste wall boundary condition, and outlet create pressure outlet, and at the small inlet again velocity inlet, and at the small pipe left and right is wall. So you can create or paste it. So create you can change it also in Fluent once you have imported the mesh file in Fluent. Now accept. Yes. Now go to the right output, right input format. Go to the 2D pipe junction all files. So select hexamesh, save, replace it, save project, hexamesh, open, So you can select 2D, you can change your file name as pipe junction and done. So uh, in the desktop in 2D pipe junction folder, a .msh format will be generated which you can import into the Fluent.